Good morning, children. In your previous class, you studied about the amplitude, time period, and the frequency of vibration, and also the audible and inaudible sounds. You just recall those, children. See, amplitude means it is the maximum extent of a vibration or the oscillation measured from the position of equilibrium. And frequency, it is the number of oscillations per second. It is called as the frequency of oscillation and it is expressed in hertz. And you also studied the audible and inaudible sounds, children. Audible sounds means which we can hear and inaudible sounds means which we can't hear. See, the range of the audible frequencies is, children, from 20 to 20,000 hertz. It is the range of the audible frequencies. Now, today, children, we will study about the noise and music and also about the noise pollution. See, we hear different types of sounds, children, daily around us, and some sounds are pleasing for us and some are unpleasant. See, you are already familiar with these two words, that is noise and music. See, noise means it is obviously the unpleasant sound. Now, sometimes they cause discomfort to us and some sounds they are pleasant to the ear, whereas some are unpleasant. Now, suppose the construction work is going on in your neighborhood, children. Now, the sounds coming from the construction, they are not pleasing. They are unpleasant sounds. Now, see, the sounds produced by the horns of the buses and the trucks, they are also unpleasant sounds. Such type of sounds, they are called as the noise. The noises which are not pleasant. For example, the sounds produced by the horns of buses and trucks and also the construction work. If it is going on in your neighborhood, children, you have experienced this. These are all the unpleasant sounds and they are called as the noise. On the other hand, children, we will enjoy some sounds from the musical instruments. Musical sound is one which is pleasing to the ear. Sound produced by harmonium is a musical sound. See, children. See, musical sound, it is one of the pleasing sounds to the ear, and sound produced by the harmonium and many other musical instruments, children, they are the musical sounds. And the string of a sitar also gives out a musical sound. But if a musical sound becomes too loud, would it remain melodious, children? See, if the musical sound becomes too loud, it is not melodious. And noise pollution. See, children, you already know about the air pollution. And here air pollution means, children, you have already studied about this. For example, see, the harmful gases which are released by the vehicles, they cause the air pollution. Now, the presence of the unwanted gases and the particles in the air, it is called as the air pollution. Similarly, the presence of excessive or the unwanted sounds in the environment, it is called as the noise pollution. Noise pollution means, children, the presence of excessive or we can say it as an unwanted sounds in our surroundings. It is called as the noise pollution. Now, can you list some sources of noise pollution here, children? Now, major causes of noise pollution are the sounds of vehicles, explosions, including the bursting of crackers, machines, loudspeakers. These are all the causes of the noise pollution. Now, what sources in the home may lead to noise? See, children, In home also, sometimes it will cause noise pollution, that is television and the transistor radio at the high volumes. Some kitchen appliances, desert coolers, air conditioners, they all contribute to the noise pollution. Desert coolers means children, they are fitted on a window and suck the air from outside. They are called as the desert coolers. These these home appliances, they are the sources of noise pollution. And what are the harms of the noise pollution? See children, here the presence of excessive noise in the surroundings, it may cause many health problems. See children, the presence of excessive noise in the surroundings, it may cause many health related problems. That is lack of sleep, hypertension. Hypertension means children, it is high BP, that is high blood pressure, anxiety, and many more health disorders. They may be caused by the noise pollution. These are some causes which are related to the health related problems, that are lack of sleep and the hypertension, anxiety, and many more health disorders are there children. They are caused by the noise pollution. And a person who is exposed to a loud sound continuously may get a temporary or even permanent impairment of hearing. See children, a person who is exposed to a loud sound continuously, and he may get a temporary or even permanent impairment of a hearing, means he can't hear because of hearing the loud sound continuously. It causes the permanent impairment of a hearing. Measures to limit the noise pollution children. See how to control the noise pollution. To control the noise, we must control the sources of noise children, and then we can control the noise pollution. See, for this, silencing devices must be installed in the aircraft engines. See children, by installing the silencing devices in the aircraft engines, we can control the noise pollution. And also silencing devices must be installed in transport vehicles, industrial machines, and the home appliances. By installing the silencing devices in these appliances, we can control the noise pollution. And how can the noise pollution be controlled in a residential area? See children, all the noisy operations must be conducted away from any residential area. For example, children, bursting of a crackers, it should not be in a residential area. It should be away from the residential area. And noise producing industry should be set up away from such areas. Use of automobile horns should be minimized, and TV and music systems should be run at a low volumes. See children, TV and music systems we can run at a low volumes, which we can control the noise pollution. And trees must be planted along the roads and around the buildings, because children, to cut down the sounds reaching from the residents, thus reducing the harmful effects of a noise pollution. See children, first here, by installing the silencing devices in the aircraft engines, transport vehicles, industrial machines, and home appliances, we can control the noise pollution. And also in a residential area, near to the residential area, the industries must not be constructed, and also all the noisy operations, they must be conducted away from the residential area. And also the automobile horns, they should be minimized, and TV and music systems we should run at a low volumes. And also by constructing the trees on the roadside and around the buildings, it will cut down the sounds reaching the residents. And these all measures we can take children to control the noise pollution. Understood children? Till now we studied about the noise and music, and also what are the harms of noise pollution and how to control the noise pollution we studied. You try to solve the exercises, children, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.